Hello everyone, once more, I'm James. Today I'm here with a quick data tip that will help you remove special characters. So if you are tired of manually cleaning your data, stick around, let's automate it as easy as possible using the VBA code that I'll provide. Before we dive into this video, let's quickly discuss why we need this removing special characters. Looking at this data set, we are seeing unwanted data, let's say special characters. These characters can cause issues in data analysis and can lead to poor insight. So we want to clean this data using a VBA code. Look at this other messy data here. It has special characters and we want to clean this one using a short tip. Let's just see how we can do it. Now when you open your Excel containing a data like this, what you want to do is to first of all check you need to have the developer tab on your Microsoft Excel. If you don't have it, you can come to File and then you scroll right down, you see Options. You click Options and then here you come to Customize Ribbon. By clicking the Customize Ribbon, you see the different types of ribbon that are in Microsoft Excel. And here, most times the developer tab is unchecked. So you have to check it and then you press OK. And then now the developer tab will be here. So what you want to do is to come here by pressing the developer tab. Let's first choose this first one. Let's first messy data and let's see how best we can clean it. You click the developer tab and then you come here, Visual Basic. Look for this one that said Visual Basic and then you click it. It will show you a blank screen like this. You'll want to click Insert and then you click Module and then now you are with a white screen. What you want to do is to place this code. I'll provide in a link below and then you will have to close this one and then you close this other black tab and then now you press, we first highlight all. We highlight all the data that we want to remove the special characters from and then we press Alt F8. By pressing Alt F8, remember that code that we paste? It has a default name of removing special characters. And then when you press Run on this, you see it has directly removed all special characters from this particular data. Now you see automatically this data is now clean and is ready for proper use. That's the code here I placed in this first Excel worksheet, and you are seeing the name sub remove special characters. And these are the different criteria I inserted in the code in order to remove all special characters. Now we have done for this sheet 1, and then we want to remove for this sheet 2. For this sheet 2, we are having a lot of messy data here. We have the ID, the name, the address, the phone number, and note. What we want to do is to clean up this data. We want to have a proper address, a proper name, and a proper phone number, and then a note. Now, what we want to do is to go again to our Visual Basic, and then we go to Insert, we said Module, and we input our code again. There's the code, and then when we input our code, we want to close it, and then we close this one again. So we have highlighted the entire worksheet. You see, just the sheet, and then we want to press Alt F8. By pressing Alt F8, the moment we click Run, you see automatically it has cleaned up the data in just few clicks. We are not having a messy data anymore. So we have this wonderful cleanup technique. If you need a code, just comment in my bio code or the comment section and I will send it right to you. Thank you very much.